Ferrari bans Justin Bieber from buying its cars. Ferrari has banned singer Justin Bieber from ever buying its cars again, accusing the singer of violating car modification rules. According to the Italian press, it all started when Justin parked his Ferrari 458 near a Beverly Hills nightclub and left it there for 2 weeks. Then, in 2016, he modified the vehicle at a California auto repair shop that was not affiliated with the brand. Justin painted the car a shade of blue to replace the original white and added a 2000-watt sound system and a Liberty Walk body kit. Know why? In the same year, he was arrested for driving without a license. Not satisfied, the singer even auctioned off the car for $434,500 in 2017. The transformation into the car and the sale violate Ferrari's code of ethics, which prohibits owners from repainting models and auctioning them off without authorization. The series of violations resulted in the company vetoing the artist from its client list. Ferrari is an Italian luxury sports car manufacturer based in Maranello, Italy. Ferrari logo and the history behind the car. Founded by Enzo Ferrari in 1939 from the Alfa Romeo Racing division as Auto Avio Costruzioni, the company built its first car in 1940 and produced its first Ferrari-badged car in 1947.